This is what the street looking like. It's busy, busy, busy. I had to park all the way down here. I'm walking to the site now. So stay tuned. So this is your lot right here next to this house. I'm gonna go in. The crane is right there doing its thing. So we're heading in. So just so you know, they are hard at work right now. So this is your garage. No sod. Sod is usually last after they pour the concrete and everything. The hole right there. Got the new music playing and everything. I don't know if you can make sense of all this. Master bedroom downstairs. Stand-up shower. Double sink. Walk-in closet. Water closet. So they are pounding away at this house. Here's the backyard with your water view. So I can't go upstairs. But can I? Let's try. Hold on. This is a bedroom here. It's the loft area. Bedroom and closet. Another bedroom and closet. Bathroom with double sinks. Another bedroom with closet. This is where your air handler and everything go for your AC. And your last bedroom and closet. So your 4 bedrooms. Look at the laying sod. This is your backyard still. You know, this looks a lot bigger than when I first got here when there was nothing up. So they're putting on the covering over your siding and make sure it's waterproof and no water gets in when it rains. But yeah, this is it's a good size. Look at the pool here. Throw that away. So next time I'll get a better front photo of your house. Just that the crane is directly in front of your house right now. There's your future home. Spacing between the 2 houses.